Question number 2. This question is from chapter Momentum. In this chapter, we will use law of conservation of momentum. Two particles A and B of masses 3.2 kg and 2.4 kg respectively lie on a smooth horizontal table. A moves towards B. Particle A moves towards B with a speed of V meter per second and collides with B, which is on moving towards A with speed 6 meter per second. In the collision, the two particles come to rest. Part A of this question is find the value of V. We will use here law of conservation of momentum. Both the particles are moving towards each other. So let this is particle A. Particle A, and this is particle B. That mass of particle A is Ma, that is given 3.2 kg, and the mass of particle B is 2.4. Mass of A is 3.2 kg. Mass of B is MB is 2.4 kg. Initial speed, the direction of movement of the particle A is towards B. Initial speed of particle A is UA, shows the initial speed of the particle A, that is V, it is given, and the initial speed of the movement of the particle B is towards particle A. Initial speed of particle B is that is represented by UB, that will be minus 6 meter per second. Minus sign shows that opposite direction of the movement of the particle. So no final speed of both the particles in the collision, the two particles comes to rest, mean that the final speed of both the particles is zero. So final speed of particle A is zero. Final speed of particle B is also zero. Now we use law of conservation of momentum. Law of conservation of momentum, that is Ma UA plus MB UB is equal to MAVA plus MBVB. This is momentum before collision is equal to momentum after collision. This is called a law of conservation of momentum. Law of conservation. Law of conservation of momentum. Now putting the values, MA is 3.2 and UA is B. MB is 2.4, UB is negative 6. Putting the values here, 3.2 into V plus 2.4 into minus 6 After the collision speed is zero, so momentum 0. Calculating 3.2 v minus 14.6 is equal to 0. From here, uh, 3.2 v is equal to 14.4, v is equal to 4.5 meters per second. This is the answer. The part B of this question is find the loss of kinetic energy of the system due to the collision. So for this part of the question, we will find first the kinetic energy before the collision, and then we will find kinetic energy after the collision. Then we will find the loss in kinetic energy by subtracting both. So first kinetic energy, KE means kinetic energy before collision. That is 1 over 2 ma UA square plus 1 over 2 mb uv square. Putting the values of mass and speed here, we get 1 over 2 ma is 3.2 and UA square, that is we have found the value of v, that is 4.5 square plus 1 over 2 mb is 2.4 ub square mean minus 6 square. Now simplifying it, we get 32.4 plus 43.2, adding we get 75.6 joule. This is the kinetic energy before the collision, 75.6 joule. Now we will find the kinetic energy after the collision. Kinetic energy after the collision, 1 over 2 1 over 2 m v a square plus 1 over 2 m b v square. But in this case, the final speed for both after the collision, the speed of the of both the particles is zero because it is given that in the collision the two particle comes to rest. So due to due to the speed after the collision zero, so kinetic energy for both the particles is zero. So we can write 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So kinetic energy after the collision is 0. So this shows that loss in kinetic energy, loss in Ke, kinetic energy before the collision, that is 75.6. After the collision 0, that is this shows that when we subtract, the final answer will be 75.6 minus 0. That this shows that loss in kinetic energy is 75.6 joule, and this is the answer.